Tom and Jerry, anybody, everybody, okay. You're too cute. Not just too cute. You're just too cute.
Tell us your favorite holiday if you were to go somewhere like you're dreaming. Where would you want to go?
I have not seen the world so much. Like I had always been inside my house. I've not seen India properly. When we were kids, तब हम बहुत घूमने जाते थे. But वो याद नहीं होता है, right? So I've not taken a holiday of long. तो कोई भी जगह, whenever it is, the thing comes कि okay, you can go out of Bombay. I feel okay, heaven. Now let's go somewhere out. वो thought also makes me happy. So destination or something I've not thought like.
Which is the last vacation you took?
I took 2 years back. That was Amritsar, where all my relatives were. So that's what I'm trying to tell you. Banaras, Amritsar, Bombay. That's it. I've not seen the world now, till now.
Tell us something about your college days.
My college days, it's just.
Yeah. They just went by,
okay.
which is why.
Okay, there was fashion show. College days, matlab fashion shows. Girls having crushes on boys, boys having crushes on girls. Romance everywhere and gossips, masala dosas, Frankies, and sada dosas and gupshups and bunking lectures. College days were fun. They were like.
Okay, so who was your first crush?
My first crush.
You just
Don't
talked
remember.
about college and romance, so there has to be
college and
someone.
romance, but everybody used to go ahead with it. But I was never, sure that if I like this guy or that guy. Okay, guy is a guy. How do you like it? I don't even know.
Okay.
I mean, love is still a question mark. I mean, why?
Okay.
I know my friends, all of them, they have boyfriends, ye wo, flan, dhungana, but I really don't know.
So
I
you
don't.
are like Navya.
Navya.
Yeah, that is the reason I took up the role.
Falls in love.
Yeah,
That's
she
the-
comes to know.
that's the
Yeah, she
feeling
comes to know.
about-
Okay, yeah, but I have in personal life, I'm still like who.
Crushes in love is different. You
Yeah.
might have had multiple crushes, and that's why you don't remember who is your first crush.
No, I'm like thinking, did I like anybody in my school days or something? But there was nothing like crush and all. There was nothing. Yeah, people used to misquote you like, okay, if I say okay, this is a good quality of this guy. Oh, you have a crush. I'm like, hello, what is that? I just said it's a good thing about this person. So, kiddish. That is kiddish.
What would be those qualities you would be looking for in a guy if you really wanted to, like, say, yeah, I have a crush on him?
Qualities.
Yeah.
I don't know about qualities and all. I'm just waiting for that guy ki dil bole, okay, he's the one.
You're like typical filmy, yeah.
I
Too
know,
good.
Filmy, but I don't know. You should come to know that okay, I really have something for. There's something happening around. वो होना चाहिए.
अच्छा.
सम्या, तुम तो प्यार के बारे में बात कर रही हो, हम क्रश के
Crush
बारे
के
में
बारे में.
तो crush भी प्यार भी वही. I don't know. I don't believe in crushes. होते कैसे हैं? क्यों होते हैं? I mean, I really have no clue about things like that.
Okay. Tell us about your family.
My family,
Yeah.
mama, papa, my sister, my brother, my family is a big family, but we are like 5 people in Bombay. That is including me. Mama, she's the best mom on the earth, and I don't know what else to say. A very, 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 very naughty brother who keeps on fighting, who keeps on giving me nicknames every 2 seconds, and a very caring sister who takes care of my brands. Brands, what you were talking about, she'll take care. Okay, you should wear this. This one is branded. This suits with this. She'll always take care of all of my things. I'm the most pampered girl on the earth. Everybody
Right.
takes care of me, but I do not take care of anybody. And I'm very sorry for that, but that's the way it is.
Tell us the worst nickname that your brother's given you.
Rotudu. ये like जब देखो रोती रहती है. Best one is like when I dress in a Indian costume. So he'll be like, दीदी आप आज अच्छे लग रहे हो. याद मत रखना ये बात, लेकिन आप अच्छे लग रहे हो. भूल जाओ. He'll be like this.
So what did he say when he first saw you on TV, your brother?
He'll like वहाँ पे भी जाके रो रहे हो आप. रोतड़ू हो. He was like this.
Are you net savvy?
Nope.
A sign-off message for your fans.
Keep watching Navya. StarPlus 10 p.m.
You could share a joke that's on your mind at the moment.
No
No
jokes.
joke. Okay. The worst joke you've ever heard.
Okay, it's nothing like that. No idea.
Something that was so pathetic that you laughed because it wasn't funny.
90% whenever I'm shooting, okay, we have this mark, you have to stand here. There are 10 people guiding you. Okay, thoda, go a little right, a little left. Okay, tilt your body, this, that. And apart from that, these people also give you directions. You have to say this line with this emotion and all. Everything goes on like together. And I'll be like standing still, still, still. Ho gaya? Now one by one. That is the worst joke happening every second moment.
You said you don't watch too many movies, but a comedy movie that you can think of at the moment.
Comedy movie? Hera Fairy.
That's a good movie.
She's happy that I gave an answer,
know.
right?
Otherwise, we got no jokes,
No movie.
No song.
no hero.
I know I'm a very boring person.
Comedy actor that you could think of, if any.
Govinda.
Govinda.
Oh. Tell me a Govinda
Come
song.
on.
You have to tell me a Govinda song that you can probably hate to love or love to hate.
You can probably dance on that.
Yeah.
No, I can't dance. I can tell you, that's a disgusting song.
It's okay.
Go ahead.
Which song of Govinda is
फिर
not
मैं
disgusting?
मैं तेरा मजनू बन जाऊंगा कुर्ता
That's a lovely number.
Okay, that's a bad.
I was
bad.
thinking more of मैं तुझको भगा लाया हूँ तेरे घर से तेरे
Yeah,
बाप के
even
घर से.
that was. That's Govinda.
You've been associated with the show for about 2 months now. You've worked here
About 6 months.
6 months. So, do they play pranks and stuff like that on you?
Every second moment.
Okay, so tell us about one such.
Prank that they played on you.
Yeah.
And who
Every
plays the
2 minutes.
most pranks on you?
I don't know, everybody keeps on doing something or the other. Like, even if there's a cut, you keep on doing that action and everybody's like looking at you. What are you doing? Hello, it's a cut. Okay, it's a cut? Okay, fine. Or maybe they might add some funny scene which is not there and they'll make you do that seriously. And like, you're doing it. Everybody's enjoying it and you're doing it, still doing it. Things like that happen a lot.
Have you played a prank on anyone?
I keep on playing pranks. I'm a Punjabi girl, so that has to come na, inside, you know. There is something inside.
एक ऐसा prank बताओ.
It's not a prank, it's a gross thing to do.
Okay.
This finger, you just put it inside dirty places and then you say, do you want to just see? What is that? You put that finger inside somebody's mouth and you say, okay, you got it. Just see. Gross, right? So we do all of that funny things.
अच्छा तो इतनी भी भोली भाली नहीं है नव्या.
Navya, I know.
This little Punjabi touch.
Boring भी नहीं है.
Yeah.
Yes. Let's talk about the importance of humor in a show. How important is humor?
Humor, laughter, that is what life is all about. So it's very, 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 very important.
A funny scene that you've shot that you
was
could
not a
talk
prank.
about here. Yeah.
That was not a prank, I'm telling you. My daddy, she has this typical dialogue when she refers to my friend who's a little forward.
We are asking about the show.
Yeah.
Yeah. कौन सा show?
So my daddy keeps on saying, "Pet chadi phraak wali." That is something like pet chadi. She says it properly.
Yeah,
I can't, imitate her, but yeah. The way she says it now, every time on every her dialogue, we keep on laughing.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thank you.